Hey, what's up, YouTube? CJ Cardio. Today we have a 2012 Honda Accord. I'm going to show you like the basic steps to remove this radio. I did a 03 to 07 video earlier in my videos. So today I'm like, I do a bunch of Honda Accords, and I know people had questions like, well, how do you get the radio out? So today I'm going to show you the basic steps to remove this radio out of here. In this vehicle, we're going to do a Sony AX5000 with Apple CarPlay, and I just thought I'd make a video. So, alright, first things first, I'm going to need you a pry tool. Going to need a Phillips screwdriver. I also recommend this nut driver for the, you'll see later in the video, but an 8mm nut driver, 5/16. And your hands, that's it. So first things first, you have these two trim pieces you need to take out. You got one here. Just pry those real quick. Stick your pry tool in there. Pardon the ashy knuckles. Stick this one in. Open it a little bit. Stick your pry tool in there. Just pry it. Take that off. Next step. Put your e-brake on. All the way up. Now, you can use a pry tool, or if you had nails, you could probably just get your fingers between this little groove right here. Just pull up. Well, loosen it up first. There you go. There you go. Pull it up. You're going to want to take your pry tool. It's not all the way up. Just go down the side of here. Same thing on this side. It's up a little bit, but it's not loose right here. So you don't want to, hold on. Just pull up. Let them clips go. There you go. Once you pull it up, you're going to want to disconnect the cigarette lighter. Get this up. I already disconnected it, but you're gonna have to disconnect the cigarette lighter. If you have heated seats, some of them have heated seats, you're gonna disconnect the two heated seat plugs. Put that out the way. Next thing, you have two 8mm Phillips head screws right here. You got one right here and one right here. I'm gonna use a screwdriver today. I do have my drill, but I'm gonna use a screwdriver. Put that to the side. Take this other one out. If it don't come out, just pull up one and then just push it from the back. Alright, next thing, you have two screws shooting up. You have one right there on this side, and then you have another right down this side. So there's two more right here. 1, 2. You're gonna just stick your screwdriver in there. Get those out. Side screw on. Another thing, if you had CDs in, just go ahead and make sure you hit them and get them out. Nothing in this one, but go back, did the one side, got that one loose. Gonna do the other side. God damn. There we go. Unscrew that one. If they don't fall out, don't worry about it. They're probably gonna fall in the pocket anyway when you go to pull it out. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4. Next thing you're gonna want to do is pull this. Once you do those 4, start the car. Put the shifter all the way in 1. Pull that straight out. Pocket comes out. Might have to finesse it a little bit. I dropped the screw, but I'll get it later. Alright, next thing. You have 2 8mm. That's why I said get a 8mm nut drive. You got one right there. You probably can feel it. You have another one right there. So I'm gonna take this nut drive. Take these out. Oop, that one fell. I'll get that later. If I didn't have the phone in my hand, I probably could catch it while I screw it, but I got a magnet tool, so I'll get it later. I'm gonna take this one out. It's 2. Now you have 2 more screws. The 2 that was exposed after you took the panel out. You're gonna take out this one. 2 Phillips. Take out that one. And you're gonna take out this one. I'm gonna say this one probably versus the 03 to 07s, this one probably a little bit they're probably both about the same. Next step, this is where I said the strength needs to come in at. I'm gonna grab it because you have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got a couple clips up here, but you're gonna want to grab this joint, pull it. Once you get the side out, one of the sides out, grab it by that side, pull it. You gotta release those clips that's in there. Another thing, once you take them out, some of the clips probably gonna stay in. If you're doing a radio, or like yesterday I had one of these, I did a Bluetooth module. You're gonna want to get those clips out and then reattach them to the actual pieces, and that's it. Unplug your wire. Well, disconnect the barrier, unplug your wires, and then that's it. I'll be back in a little bit to show you the end result.